Spotify Camp Nou is now a living architectural system where the structure, facade, circulation, and infrastructure are now progressing together. Over the past week, activity has intensified in multiple areas of the stadium, from the installation of facade elements to structural preparations for the roof to the internal circulation systems taking shape. What we are now seeing is not a single task being completed, but many systems evolving at the same time. In this update, we will analyze the most important developments, explain what they mean for the project, and understand how each step relates to the long-term vision of the new Spotify Camp Nou. One of the most visible areas of progress this week is the installation of the facade slats. They are decorative elements, but they are also part of a controlled facade system that manages airflow, light, visibility, and structural rhythm. In the side and corner areas, new anchor points are being installed. These anchors connect the slats to the main concrete and steel structure. This is a precise process. Each anchor must be precisely positioned, connected to the load paths, and prepared to support both the weight of the panel and environmental forces. In some areas, the slats are already in place, secured, and ready for lifting. This confirms that the project has moved from preparation to continuous facade installation mode. This phase will continue for several months, gradually wrapping the stadium and defining its new external identity. As the facade grows outward, more complex work is taking place above. The stadium is now clearly entering the roof preparation phase. Large steel components that connect to the future compression ring are visible around the site. These elements will eventually be connected into a continuous structural system that distributes the roof loads evenly around the stadium. This is one of the most critical engineering stages of the entire project. Before the roof panels are installed, each supporting element must be aligned, reinforced, and tested. The precision required here is extreme. Even small adjustments at this stage can affect the geometry of the entire roof structure. What is important to understand is that roof construction does not happen quickly. It happens in layers: preparation, alignment, connection, and only then the final assembly. This week's activity confirms that the project is steadily moving through these early but essential steps. The north goal continues to evolve structurally. Prefabricated seating elements are now closing remaining gaps, gradually completing the geometry of this sector. At the same time, steel connectors and facade supports are being added to prepare the area for its external envelope. Inside the structure, work continues on welding, fixing, and protective treatments. These processes may not look dramatic, but they are fundamental. Protective coatings, anti-corrosion treatments, and final surface preparation ensure the long-term durability of the stadium. This is where modern stadium construction differs from older projects. Longevity is designed into every step. The north goal is clearly transitioning from a raw structural phase into a more finished architectural stage. Inside the stadium, circulation systems are now becoming clearly visible. Escalators in the tribune area have progressed significantly. Handrails are installed, mechanical systems are in place, and electrical work continues beneath the visible surfaces. These elements are part of a larger circulation strategy designed to move tens of thousands of spectators safely and efficiently. Every escalator, ramp, and corridor is calculated based on crowd flow, evacuation times, and accessibility standards. This week's progress shows that the stadium is no longer just being built, it is being prepared for people. Once these systems are fully operational, the stadium will function as a controlled urban space, not just a sports venue. One of the most visually striking developments is in the diamond zone. Large glass panels are now installed, opening views into what will become one of the most important commercial and public areas of the stadium. These glass elements are not standard windows. They are structural glazing panels designed to handle large spans, thermal loads, and daily use by thousands of visitors. As more panels are installed, the scale of the future club store and public areas becomes clear. This is where the stadium connects with the city, not just on match days, but every day. The Diamond Zone represents the shift from stadium to destination. Behind every visible change is a massive logistical operation. Prefabricated seating, stair elements, facade panels, and steel components continue to arrive on site daily. Each delivery follows a strict schedule. Each component has a predefined position. This level of coordination is essential when multiple construction fronts are active at the same time. The current pace confirms that the project is operating at full capacity across engineering, logistics, and installation teams. This week at the Spotify Camp Nou shows a project moving with confidence. The facade is advancing. The roof structure is taking shape. Internal systems are coming alive, and public spaces are beginning to reveal their final form. This is not a sprint. It is a carefully controlled transformation of one of the most iconic stadiums in world football. Each week brings the stadium closer to its next milestone, and each step reinforces the scale, ambition, and long-term vision behind the new Spotify Camp Nou. For more weekly documentary updates on stadium construction, sports architecture, and the world's biggest infrastructure projects, make sure to subscribe to SportsRender. New updates arrive every week, and the transformation continues.